Good day, YouTube. It's 19th of May, 2018. Working in the Boyertown stepvan, the mobile studio. It's finally starting to get some equipment in it, and starting to have the ability to play music at least inside. Shortly, of course, we'll be able to plug in some big speakers and entertain crowds. So we are getting closer. I really should be spending the day finishing putting the windshield in, but that's not as much fun. I went on the hunt over the last couple weeks, stepped up my game anyway. I've been hunting for some like studio monitor speakers for the inside of the stepvan, and I was kind of running empty-handed for a long time, and all of a sudden, and I was looking online. Today was Saturday, and I went yard sailing in search of speakers, and the very first yard sale I came to had a pair of Polk Audio. Sorry for the light levels I'm having. I was adjusting the lights so that it wouldn't be too glary. These speakers weren't brand new in the box or anything, but they were really nice. So I'll get on the back side and show you the model number. We're going to test run these things for a second. Focus, camera. You focused a minute ago. There we go. There we go. So I looked them up before I purchased them. They were priced at only $30. Looks like they sold new for a couple $100. Now they're people trying to get like $250 for used ones, calling them rare. Well, I don't know if they're that rare or not, but I did want to give them a test run, and my tablet shut off. Come on back on there, baby. Isn't that the way it goes? I can never remember what button to push to get her to come back to life. There we go. So this is obviously a spot for my computer to be. Why are we doing this? There we go. So let's give a duty-free music run on these speakers. I'll put you in a stand for a minute or two. I know it's hard to get real good quality when we're recording on a smartphone here, but I am impressed with their ability to capture the bass. I mean, they're getting down there. We're powering these with this Carver home theater amplifier. We just got it on light level 4. Let me turn the lights up because I can. At a third throttle, and master's at 50%, and our tablets at 25%. Wow. Very, very impressed. So, if you can believe it or not, about 5 yard sales later, I found another pair of Polk Audio speakers very similar, but not exactly the same, brand new in the box. So I'm gonna go get those out and we'll test those and see what we get. I have cranked these things up. They're solid. They're very solid. I can't believe the bass response these have. They are very heavy. These are twice as heavy as those ones I bought new in the box. I'm anxious to see what the other ones sound like. These are obviously way better. The other ones appear to have sold new, 99 bucks. I think they're actually a current model. You can still get them. These I think are out of production and somebody on eBay thinks they're rare or something. But they're very nice. They're very nice looking. My struggle in this step van is things are getting kind of busy and I'm not sure where to put them. So right now they're sitting there and I need a better place, but I'd love to put them on both sides of that window in front of my mixer, but there really isn't room. I might look to do a ceiling on them, but they're just gonna be in my way. So I don't know. I'll figure out where to put them, but I'm sure happy to have them. Thanks you guys for watching, commenting, subscribing, and come back. We're gonna review those other ones.